Final Project iMovie Honors Freshman Physics 1B, Winnetonka High School by Jordan Eskejian. Here's a list of the material that will be covered in the following iMovie. In the following iMovie, I will cover various materials listed in the previous slide with examples and pictures. The material I will cover is what I have learned so far this year in Ms. Holwicks Freshman Physics class at Winnetonka High School. I hope you enjoy. What is force? Force is a push or a pull on an object resulting from that object's interaction with another object. Forces only exist as a result of an interaction. Forces can cause an object to change its speed or its direction. The standard international unit for force is 1 Newton. The 4 fundamental forces. The 4 fundamental forces are electromagnetic, gravitational, nuclear strong, and nuclear weak. In this slide, you can see the definitions of each as well as some examples of each. What are contact and non-contact forces? A contact force are those types of forces that result when two interacting objects are physically touching each other. Non-contact forces are those types of forces where the two interacting objects are not in physical contact with each other. In this slide, you can see examples of each. What are the types of forces? In this slide, I have listed 8 different forces and I have included their definitions. What is static equilibrium? If an object is in static equilibrium, then it is not moving and the forces acting on it are balanced. In this picture, you can see Morgan standing on a scale. The normal force and the force due to gravity are both balanced out by each other. That's equilibrium. Morgan is not moving and that is static. Therefore, Morgan is currently in a state of static equilibrium. What is dynamic equilibrium? If an object is in dynamic equilibrium, it is moving at a constant velocity and the forces acting on it are balanced. As you can see in the force diagram to the bottom left of the screen, all of the forces acting upon the toy car are balanced. Therefore, it is in equilibrium. As you could see in the previous video, the car is moving at a constant velocity. That's dynamic, so therefore the car is in a state of dynamic equilibrium. What is disequilibrium? If an object is in disequilibrium, it is accelerating and the forces acting on it are unbalanced. As you can see in the picture, the force due to gravity is pulling down on the falling ball. The ball accelerates as it falls. The forces acting on it are not balanced, therefore the ball is in a state of disequilibrium. What is mass, weight, and the force due to gravity? Mass is the amount of matter in an object. The force due to gravity is the pull on an object from a gravitational field. The force due to gravity and weight are the exact same thing. It's just in physics, instead of saying weight, we say the force due to gravity. What is the effect of mass on the rate of descent of falling objects? Mass does not affect the descent of falling objects. In the ping pong ball example, Joe is dropping 2 balls of different masses, but as you could see in the previous video, they both hit the surface at the exact same time. What is Newton's law of universal gravitation? The law of universal gravitation states that all objects with mass are attracted to other objects with mass. As the mass of the object gets larger, the gravitational field gets stronger. As the distance between the objects get larger, the gravitational field gets weaker. Thank you so much for watching my iMovie. I really hope you enjoyed.